About 1 month ago, me, my friend, and my brother decided that we wanted to get some junky golf carts that we can just thrash around, drive like on jumps and do whatever we want with. That same day, we found a guy that had a bunch of golf carts, so we went on his property and we looked around. We ended up finding these 2 golf carts from like the late 1960s, and we bought them for $300. Alright boys, so we just purchased this guy right here and this one. $300 for these 2. We're gonna be fixing them up and it's a good day. It's a good day. So we now have the golf carts at our house and we're gonna try and fix them up. They're kind of in bad shape. They're like made in 1950. So here's the really beat up one right here. The seats are all torn off. And here's like the not as beat up one. It's got some nasty stuff on the back though. Okay, so we are now spraying engine enamel on the blue roof. It's gonna be black. Oh, we don't have spray paint, so we're gonna be spraying engine enamel on the roof, which is, it's black, but it's not spray paint. We thought for the golf cart that we should have something in the front, like a little grill and logo. So we just went and stole this off of a car, and we're gonna put it on the front of the golf cart. So we just put the new grill on the golf cart, looking pretty fresh. Look at this. We got the lion dancing right there below the Ford sign. Alright guys, so we just added this little mesh piece right here for like our windshield. We couldn't find any glass, but this will work. So day 1 is pretty much coming to an end. What we did so far is add this mesh piece and add this little grill like we showed you, and then took all the like nasty stuff off the seats, so now it's just like hard metal. So we did it on both seats, and then we took out the carpet on the floor right here, so it's just hard, the hard floor. And then what else did we do? Oh yeah, we painted the ceiling. It looks really good actually.
Scraped off some green stuff.
Oh, scraped off a lot of the green stuff on the back right there. Oh, and we also we took all this stuff out right here. So we did all this in the same day that we bought it. This is day 1. After some work, we got this golf cart looking all nice on the outside. This is a pitchfork that we found. The pitchfork, if we're like driving and there's like leaves in front of us, it'll pick up the leaves. Yeah, so the Ford sign was already here. All these little blinker things were already here. So eventually this is gonna be a handlebar that goes right here, but we can't get it to stay there. So that's gonna be a project that we need to do in the future. We spray painted everything. We ripped all the foam out of the seats, and we put H on here for Hillary. Last but not least, here's the flag. This is probably my favorite part of the golf cart. It says Way on here for Way Films. If you don't know what Way Films is, go check it out on Instagram. Basically, we just post our like projects and videos on that Instagram. But then on the other side of the flag, there's a big H for Hillary. And then here is the other golf cart that we named like Jill or something. Yeah, this golf cart, nothing much has changed except we took the roof off and the and the tires got a lot more flat. That one and that one. We're probably just gonna like roll it into the creek and forget about it. But yeah, it's a piece of junk.
Oh!